Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Wash your hands and resist rubbing. That spreads bacteria. Next, lean over a sink and flush each eye with clean water or saline for 5 to 10 seconds so crust loosens. Once done, blink deliberately 8-12 times, then look slowly up, down, left, and right to move remaining debris toward the inner corner. These actions remove the bulk of sleep quickly and reduce irritation. Make sure to be gentle and steady, not frantic. Once the basic rinse is done, apply a warm compress for 1 to 2 minutes to soften any hardened material. This helps loosen residues without scrubbing. Then, using a clean cloth or cotton pad, wipe from the inner corner outward in one smooth motion per wipe. Repeat with a fresh pad until clear. If your eyes still feel dry or gritty, instill 1 or 2 artificial tear drops. This soothes the surface and helps flush microscopic particles. Finish by inspecting both eyes in bright light and gently re-rinsing any stubborn spots. Make sure there is no persistent stickiness before resuming study. Remove contact lenses and wait at least 30 minutes because lenses trap debris and can irritate. Keep hands clean and avoid touching your face. If you notice increasing redness, pain, discharge, or blurred vision, stop and seek professional care right away. These signs indicate infection or injury and need treatment rather than home cleanup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.